This is a 2.6 acre parcel in O'Brien Mountain Estates, which is a gated community by Shasta Lake. The video starts with me just coming in the end of the driveway and flying over the building pad. It's a good sized pad. You can see this big cut bank on the right side. It's O'Brien Mountain is a mountain, so all the pads are, most all of them are carved out of a hillside like this. Just a little elevation, show you the terrain on top of the pad. It's a good sized pad. Could put a pretty nice sized house on here. Through those trees is looking down towards the lake. You'll see as I get a little closer. Needs some trimming and some thinning and stuff to maximize the view. And the view will be pretty decent. Not the very best that O'Brien Mountain Estates has, but pretty darn good. And we say that because some of the expensive ones at the top really have mind-blowing views. Flying here kind of to the end of the pad, complete opposite side from where the driveway comes in. So all this stuff through these black oaks and bushes and shrubs. The lake is right down there. You'll see later in the video where you can see an outline of it, and then I have some video above the tree line just to show you what's down there. There you can see a piece of the lake. All that stuff through that, it's pretty easy stuff to clear out. Panning around, you'll see the car again in a minute. So that's a good idea of the size of the actual cleared area. Kind of just doing a circle of the building pad. All of the stuff on the right side with the view opened up will be nice mountain view with partial lake views. Kind of panning back around. There was me. And again, you get a view. So check out the other videos too, because I have some that kind of focus on the view a little bit more. It's just a guided tour of the building pad.